Hi guys, my name is Azhar. I'm the principal dentist at the Coach House Dental Practice in Wirksworth. I've just finished my implant training with practical implantology. Why did I choose practical implantology? Basically, it came highly recommended. I had a good chat with Sam and Mukesh about 5 months before I signed up to the course. They both said the same thing. We won't let you down and you're going to place implants on the course. And they would offer mentoring post-course, which was the most important thing for me. When the course started, we had a group of colleagues, my cohort 11 colleagues who had some experience of restoring implants. Some had worked in oral surgery, some had an MSc in restorative, and others had just finished foundation dentistry and had been associates for a couple of years. So it was a real blend of clinical experience, but the teaching was geared to target all of us. It wasn't, oh, you have to be a specialist or you have to have some knowledge of implants. Azhar, Mukesh and Sam, they start from the very basic and they just build the blocks up until you understand everything. There is a really good blend of theoretical learning and practice, okay? The digital planning side of this course is amazing. You get to spend a whole day or two with Sam, digital planning, how to place implants using CBCTs, the digital planning software, how to create surgical guides, how to do mock-ups, all sorts. Like, if there's, Sam knows everything there is about digital dentistry. It's amazing. You also get to listen to a lot of outside speakers. So you'll get to listen to Prof. Riaz on his occlusion. You get to listen to Sham Shamsi about the litigation, really important. It's a really nice, well laid out course. The most important thing, right, of the course, the food is absolutely amazing. The food is amazing. The venue is really good. It's easy to get to. There is car parking there as well. And the support team, especially Michelle and Pfizer, they're very, very helpful. They'll make sure that whatever you need is there. Ostem really support you a lot through the course as well. They're always there. You can ask them questions and they'll get you in touch with your area rep. How was the Cairo trip? The Cairo trip is probably one of the best experiences I've had in dentistry. I was a little bit nervous about the trip, but it was an amazing experience. I love my cohort. We worked really well together. We placed 77 implants in 3 days. And on average, we all placed about 7 each. I placed an implant in the upper left 2 region, a couple of immediate implants in the anterior region, and a couple of posterior implants as well. And it was really good. The mentors are there. They plan the cases with you. They are there watching what you do, and then they guide you if you need guidance, okay? It's a really, really hands-on trip. And plus, you get to see the pyramids as well, okay? If you enjoy that, fair enough, okay? But the clinic side is amazing, and the team in Cairo is really good. They will really look after you. Ahmed and Nina, amazing, but the nurses and the staff at the clinic are phenomenal. The way they turn a room around quickly for the next patient, you're not sitting around, you're on adrenaline for about 3 days, okay? Since the course finished in February, have I been able to implement what I've learned? And the simple answer is yes. You know, one thing that Mukesh taught us on the course was how to take out teeth atraumatically and how to do ridge preservation. That is one of the greatest skills, you know, that I've learned from that. Yes, I've learned how to place implants, but by learning how to do ridge preservation and taking out teeth properly, I've learned how to have good foundation to place implants in the future. Okay, that I'm going to have nice solid bone to place my implants into. The mentoring post-course has been there, in particular with Azhar. Azhar's been working on a couple of cases with me, and you know, he's always on the other end of the phone if I need to ring him and ask him. So in one word, have I implemented everything I've learned? Yes. Have I got cases on the go that I will be placing implants in the next couple of months? Yes. Would I do this course again? Any day of the week. Any day of the week. I've done a lot of courses in the last 4 years since becoming principal, but this, hands down, is one of the best courses I've been on. And it's what Mukesh says constantly through the course. They won't let you down. You will place implants. You will ride a camel. And you're going to improve your golf. I didn't play golf, but I can now hit a golf ball, okay? So all that you'll do on this course, and you're gonna have great night outs, okay? The amount of times to be honest, Mukesh, Sam, and Azhar took us out pretty much every night. The hospitality these guys show is amazing. 3 humble, genuine, big-hearted guys who I respect a lot now. I absolutely respect, love them to bits. And seriously, if you're thinking about implants, whether you're a newbie like me or you had a little bit of experience but you want to get back on the wagon now, Practical Implantology is the course for you.